Howdy, home skillets. Today we are staying at Saratoga Springs for 4th of July weekend, and we are in a 2-bedroom villa with our entire family. So we are going to be doing something that most people really don't ever do when they review the resort. Is a lot of people come in, they do a review, and it's just like, okay, we're staying in a villa, here it is. But what we are actually going to do this weekend is we are going to cook like we always do. When we stay at a villa, we are actually trying to save money on food, enjoy time with our family, and also experience everything the property has to offer. Our plan is not to really do any parks. We are just going to do the resort, Disney Springs. So let's start off. This is what I call the family room, right, Jen?
Yep, it is the family room, but hidden bed, a little Murphy bed in the wall, which makes it really convenient when you have a large family with you. This pulls down into probably a double bed. And then you have the 5th sleeper, which in this case is more than 5. What do we have? How many can we sleep in this room?
We can sleep 9 in this room. So let me show you what this looks like. You can pull this down, and it is a very cool bed in there that most of the kiddos will fight over. As a matter of fact, I think our middle daughter wants to sleep in that bed tonight. And we also have this large television. And what we did, we brought the Nintendo Switch 2, and basically we are going to run some Mario Kart with all of us. There will be 9 of us staying here. Or actually 8 of us. One of us is our granddaughter, and she's about 1.5. So what's cool too about this is this little table here opens up, and you can actually use it kind of like almost like a TV dinner stand is what I call it. It just kind of pulls straight up. You spin it around, you can actually put some stuff in there, but you can put the kiddos there, or even if you want to sit there and eat as an adult, you can, and you can watch television at the same time, which is really cool. Jenny is putting it back down.
Reminds me of when I was little and we had TV trays.
Yes.
My dad would put the TV tray and the pot pie out.
Yes. The other cool thing, it's got little trinkets here, because a lot of people are a little bit concerned about Saratoga Springs, saying it's not that Disney, it's not that themed. Now, I will give you that. It's themed like Saratoga in New York. It's very horse-centric, and it is, in my opinion, done very well. And there are little touches all over the property that do hearken to Disney. Not like, of course, some of the properties, but for a DVC property, this is probably one of our favorites, and it is rather large. Like, I love this lamp right here. It kind of has these leather horse straps here to hold it down. We've got some mirrors back there, and look at the size of this table. I mean, you could fit the whole family there, basically. And a couple extra chairs, and like I said, you can use the table over here. Yeah, so Jenny, why don't you show us the kitchen?
Okay, we can show the kitchen right now. So these are really nice and spacious kitchens. One of the things that's really great about staying in a DVC is you don't have to bring anything with you for the most part, except for the food. So they're really well equipped with everything that you need for serving and for cooking. And we've hidden all of our snacks and things down here, so there's additional pots.
Like I said, we use it.
Yeah, we definitely use it. It comes with a Cuisinart coffee maker. We've brought some additional coffee things. You have your full coffee set up, and they provide you with plenty here. They do also give you paper towels, dishwasher soap, and the whole thing. And of course, you have toaster, microwave, stove. Stove has some things in it. We brought some things as well. And then you have
a gigantic fridge.
Yeah, that's already stocked up.
We loaded it up with some of the things in there. One of the things in there is my world famous ribs. And we have a freezer up top there. So this is a very nice front room and family room for gathering, hanging out, relaxing at night. Now, we're not going to be able to show you the baby's room because that's where she's sleeping right now, but we will once she's awake, and we'll get in the 2-bedroom because that's really got a lot of space too. But I really like the fact that you have this table here and you can throw stuff down when you come in, or you're getting ready to go to the parks and you don't want to forget something, you just throw it over there, whether it be your beach bag or anything else like that.
Depending on how long you're staying, this is going to be a really important feature for you if you're coming with your family as well. You have the washer and dryer. They do provide some laundry soap for you. And then you also have a broom and dustpan here inside of this closet.
And it works really well.
It's nice.
There's nothing like coming back and you got wet towels or whatever, and you can just throw them in there and dry, because your clothes, you know, when you shower and stuff, you want to throw on some lights here in this room over here. So what's cool about this is you have a multi-use bathroom on this side. You have 2 bathrooms in here. That's a little bright. So let me crank this down for you guys. So in here you have a shower, which will open up on this side. Again, which is loaded with the customary Disney conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Love the smell. Jen, not a huge big fan, but shower pressure is really good here, and the shower is nice and good size. And over here you have, again, a really nice area to vanity for, again, anybody staying in the front room, because I'll show you what's nice about this is you actually have 2 different areas to get ready. So someone can be getting ready here, and then the other room, which I'll show you in a second, someone can be getting ready also. And then here's one of the commodes. It's a rather huge party bathroom.
So there's a second bathroom in the second bedroom, which we'll see later.
Yep.
This is the master aspect of the bathroom. So you have a deep tub here and a larger vanity, a lit mirror. One of the things that we've always liked about these suites is the tub for the kids, particularly when they were little. They always wanted to go in the tub. Fun fact, all of these used to be open. So
which was really cool. We used to be able, that was just an open wall, and there was just kind of like right here, there was kind of like a banister here, and we would turn on the kids' television. In the other room, we would all hang out in here while the kids played in the tub. But Disney, for whatever reason, I don't know if it's a privacy thing, they decided to get rid of that wall, or if it was a splash thing, I don't know. But again, going back to this, what's nice is you have people that are staying in the master room can get ready here at this spot right here. And again, the other vanity right over here, you can get ready. And then here is a really big closet where right off the master, which has tons of storage space.
And also your safe.
And yeah, you have a little safe here. So all your valuables, should you have any, can go right in there. And it has, of course, a full length mirror, which is always nice for getting ready, of course. Yeah. So let's spin around over here and we'll go into the master bedroom. So again, you have the door, which you can close off. And right away, what I really like about this is the fact that we have this huge dresser, okay, which has got a nice long countertop. We have space in here, shelves. We have humongous drawers, which you'll see I've got all a bunch of camera stuff in there right now. A gigantic television, nice lamp. And of course we have a nice reading chair, a little end table, and over here, the only kind of, strange thing here at Saratoga is a little bit older. So we have, of course, this older telephone, but only have regular USB and 2 power outlets on each side of the bed, which is nice. The other nice thing about Disney is A, we have this nice king bed, but B, there's always room underneath the beds to put things like your luggage when they're emptied out.
For me, what I really like about the DVC, the Disney Deluxe hotels, is the theming is done well in that you understand that you're at a hotel that is Saratoga Springs, and they've incorporated the horses as well as the characters, but all of the lamps are different from each individual hotel, and just the curtains, it's really well done. So it's not overdone, and the furnishings are really pretty. The carpets are always pretty. I think they do a really good job of making them different, but also you feel like you're at a Disney resort whenever you're here.
Yeah, and that can't be overstated, is the fact that no matter where you are on a Disney vacation, you are going to know you're at Disney. So let's take a look right here at our patio. So we actually have a view and a walkway. The good thing about this room, Congress Park, is we asked for a first floor, and we have the walkway, which is right over there to Disney Springs, which is super convenient. So straight across. Oh, nice. I timed that perfectly. Look at that. The rainforest is blowing up over there. Excellent. Yeah, we got fire action going on at the rainforest. Woo! That was crazy. That'll be our shot tonight. There it goes again. All right, and as promised, Jenny's going to show us how this bed works. Woo!
Alrighty.
Here we go. Is there anybody in it?
No one's in it so far. Oh wait, Mickey and Minnie are in it.
Oh.
Holy moly.
Wow. All right. Woo! Jenny did it.
That was a little creakier than I'm used to.
This is pretty cool, though.
Look how cute.
And somebody little could sleep right here if you push those together. I know my kids used to love that. But yeah, look how cute. We got Minnie and Mickey and Pluto and Goofy sitting on the front porch with Donald and Daisy staring in each other's eyes. It is a beautiful thing.
Actually, she's reading her book and he's taking a nap.
He's staring right at her. Look. Donald and Daisy.
I'm sorry. I thought you were talking about Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah. All right. Now let's see how easy it is to put back up.
I bet you it's easier to put back up.
Go, Jenny. Go, Jenny. It's your birthday. Oh, see? See how easy that was? All right.
We need a twirl.
Twirl. There you go, Jenny. Woo! All right. So right off of the main entrance is the second bedroom. So what's cool about the second bedroom is it also has a huge closet as soon as you walk in, a door that closes, a place to hang things. All right, we'll start with the actual vanity area, dun, 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 which is pretty good. So 2 sinks, plenty of space. We also have, of course, your standard hair dryer. Yeah, plenty of room. And they have their own commode and another tub with, of course, more Disney soaps and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty standard shower, but it's good to see a tub because tubs are going bye-bye quicker at Disney World than they're arriving because Disney's slowly getting rid of them. All right, so in here we have 2 queen beds. The kids have already been kind of setting up in here a little bit. But it is very bright. I love all the lighting in here. As you guys know, lighting is a thing for me. There's just tons of space, tons of open space in the middle. The only thing missing is there's no tables on each side like a normal Disney room. They've been putting end tables kind of or shelves on the other side of the bed. But here you just have it in the middle where you have a couple little drawers here. And you have a couple USB outlets and a couple power outlets. Of course, your phone. You have a nice sized television and plenty of drawer space. Yeah, so it's pretty good size space. Let me back to the corner here and give you kind of look this way. So it is a pretty good size space for the second bedroom. Again, this 2-bedroom villa sleeps 9 people. You could put 4 in here, 3 in the living room, and 2 in the master bedroom. All right, let's see what they're cooking in the other room. Because I know Ren May loves coming to the villas. Hi, Ren. Are you eating? Hi, cheese. She's got some pretzels, macaroni, cheese. All right, and Jenny's still cooking. All right, so here we are. Day and night number 1. We are cooking a bunch of tacos. And Mama made some what, Jenny? Would you make some pulled chicken?
Some pulled chicken.
Pulled chicken. Chicken tacos. Rice and beans. All right. And Miss Ren May, she just woke up. Right, Ren? Say hi. Look at who's there. Who's this, Ren? Who's that? Oh, not you? Look, you got a charcuterie board. Like I said, you open this up for the kiddos. Mm-hmm. All right. So one of the things that's not talked about enough is eating in the villa. I can't recommend that enough. So let me ask this question. What's more fun? Playing around, goofing off in your villa while you cook and eat dinner together as a family, or standing around, say, at a restaurant at Disney Springs or in the parks waiting for your table to be ready with little kids? That can be excruciating. But hey, we had a blast. We saved a lot of money. We cooked and had fun as a family, and that's what it's all about. It really is great when you're on vacation at a villa.